but it looks so pretty. It kind of looks like that NYX shade from the Nikita palette, but it's a little bit more better. It's like really glowy and pretty. Super cute. Alright, now that that's done and over with, I'm trying to look at this snow globe look again. I think I'm going to take my lashes, I'm going to do my bottom lashes. Oh my gosh. This mascara is wonderful. Like, that's literally all I can say about it, is that it's just wonderful. Like, they look so good. They look so good. Alright, now I'm going to take this Tarte setting spray. This is the Stay Spray setting spray. And I'm just going to close my eyes. Spray it all over my face and kind of just fan my face so it gets a little bit dry. And then hopefully this doesn't fall because it's literally in my drawer. Where could it be? Alright, there it is. Perfect. I'm going to take, sorry, my nose is running. Lovely. I'm going to take my lip primer by ColourPop and my NYX natural lip pencil. So I'm going to take the lip primer first. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. What is in this? It smells like sugar cookies. That's exactly what it smells like. But I'm just going to prime my lips. And do that. Is this a gloss? No. Okay. And then I'm going to take the NYX Natural Lip Pencil and just line my top and bottom lip. And I do overdraw my lips just a little bit. I don't like to do it a lot, but I do it a little bit just so it does look a little bit more full. Alright, cool. So that is all filled in. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beaming Liquid Lipstick. I have never used this one before, but it's like a light pink, but it's like, it's sparkly. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. To say the least, I'm literally obsessed. Like, excuse me? What gave it the right to look this good? It looks freaking beautiful. But that is about it. Honestly, this is, I would say, I'm trying to like take my hair down to see what it would look like. My hair is like so gross right now. This is the finished look. We got a holiday snow globe. Sorry, it was like there was like a piece there that was like bothering me. We got a holiday snow globe with a holiday eye on the other side. I'm obsessed with the way this came out. I think this looks so cute. I am going to take pictures of it now. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody tuned into the stream today. Thank you for all your sweet comments along the way. If anybody followed me, I can't see it on my phone, but it will definitely pop up in my stream summary later. But if anybody followed me from today's stream, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. And I hope that I will see you in another stream sometime soon. So I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see